See, I told you still alive.
Who?
That cicada.
That's cicada?
The one that baby said that.
And he got it.
Cicadas deserve to die.
I'm trying to get cold, and they deserve to get down, actually.
Lions do. No, they don't. What are you doing, Mom?
I'm watching, like, the where is it? Game of Thrones.
Stop watching Game of Thrones. You don't watch Game of Thrones.
I know, but I don't have anything to
Mommy,
watch.
what's on
GTO full out.